In this short video, we're going to show you how you can use the free version of ChatGPT to put together a risk and opportunity register to get from here to here in a matter of minutes, saving you a lot of time throughout your project career. So you want to be able to get ChatGPT in the right frame of mind to get it to do what you want it to do. So to begin with, I'm going to just give it this prompt. I'm an experienced design engineer, 20 years experience in the construction sector, and I have a fair bit of experience also in putting together risk and opportunity registers. That's far away. Okay, so it's a little bit vague. It's understanding where I'm coming from, whether I want training or mentoring. Now we can be a bit more specific that we have a project that we want it to help us out with. So let's give it some details of our project. So can you put a risk and opportunity register for a project? It's a garage, brickwork involved, semi-rural block. The location's given there, 10 metres by 3 metres, raft slab, brick with engaged piers, sheet metal roof, etc. Now what we wanted to do is put together a risk register with columns as follows. So you can see ID, risk description, likelihood with corresponding ratings, also impacts with ratings, and the severity based on all of those ratings. We're interested in the risk owner, mitigating action, and also what action should be taken should that risk occur. Now let's see how it goes. Within less than 30 seconds, it's given us probably about 10 risks that we should be mindful of, as well as 4 opportunities. And while a lot of these are generic, it's certainly got us off the ground with very little time spent. Now, we can be a little bit more specific. Now, what I have done is I have a transcript from a meeting that I've had with a site manager. Now, we're going to ask ChatGPT to add or indeed amend any risks or opportunities based on this conversation. Now, you need to bear in mind that when recording any conversation, you must at all times let meeting participants know that you've recorded the conversation. Now, I've done this, and also you need to be mindful of the laws that apply to your jurisdiction, because in some cases there are laws which tightly govern the manner in which conversations are recorded. Now, I've put that transcript into a text file because text files are read quite well in ChatGPT. Now let's see how it goes for us now, whether there's any change to that risk register or indeed the opportunity register. So notice what it's done for us. It's updated one of the risks for us. It has added a couple more risks based on that conversation. And it's also given us an added opportunity, which is really useful for any project manager or design engineer. Now, we would like it now, if possible, could ChatGPT please format this register into a workable format, such as for use in Microsoft Excel. Let's see how it goes. And within about 20 to 30 seconds, it has nicely packaged it up into a downloadable format. So I'll download that now, and I'll open it up, and look at what we have. We have a risk and opportunity register ready for use, and we were able to put that together in the matter of minutes. Now I'll just open up these columns a little bit to see what we have, and quite detailed considering the amount of time that we've spent. We have our 12 risks and our 5 opportunities as a result of the generic investigation that ChatGPT did, as well as the more specific investigation as per the meeting transcript that we asked it to review on our behalf. So a beautiful way in which to get a risk and opportunity register off the ground to save you a lot of time throughout your project life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and please let me know if you have subscribed. I'd love to keep the conversation going.